current time is 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. You are listening to NOAA, All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 55, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Hard freeze warning in effect until noon Tuesday. Wind chill warning in effect until noon Tuesday. Winter storm warning in effect until 9 a.m. Monday. Tonight, blowing snow this evening. Snow this evening, then a chance of snow after midnight. Total snow accumulation of 3 to 5 inches. Colder with lows around 4 above. North winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Wind chill values as low as 13 below. Issued at 12:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Monday. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 will be possible north and west of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. 4 to 6 are expected along I-Paris to Hamilton line including the DFW Metroplex, and 4 to 8 south of I-20 and east of I-35. Some snow drifts of over 1 foot are possible. Strong winds will result in very restricted visibility and possibly life-threatening wind chills. Actual air temperatures in the single digits and low teens. The areas affected include North and Central Texas. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Monday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult, if not impossible late today into Monday. Wind gusts and snow will likely result in blowing and drifting of snow yielding near whiteout conditions with visibility less than 1/2 mile. Extreme wind chills as low as 15 below zero will become life-threatening to people and animals outside without adequate warmth or shelter. Morning temperatures in the single digits and low teens could result in severe damage to plumbing, especially if pipes are not insulated. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 6 p.m. DFW Airport, heavy snow and fog, visibility 1/4, 12, dew point 8, relative humidity 84%, wind north at 18, gusting to 26, wind chill -6, pressure 30.28 inches and rising. Fort Worth Meacham, light snow and fog 10, northwest at 10, wind chill -4. Dallas Love Field, snow, visibility 1/2 of a mile, 13, north at 13, wind chill -2. Arlington, light snow, 15, northwest at 18, gusting to 28, wind chill -2. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. Snow is expected across much of the region tonight. Widespread accumulations of 3 to 7 inches are expected across North and Central Texas. Isolated higher amounts are possible. Blowing and drifting snow will lead to extremely dangerous travel conditions. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Monday through Saturday. Moderate to heavy snow may linger east of the Interstate 35 corridor Monday morning. Extremely cold conditions are expected through Wednesday, with lows in the single digits and teens and highs in the teens and 20s. Wind chills below zero are likely Monday through Tuesday morning and again on Thursday morning for areas west of Interstate 35. More chances of accumulating snow arrive Tuesday night and continue through early Thursday.